If I sit down next to you?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you play chess?
Why do you ask?
Just an educated guess.
I've been playing chess since I was really young. My dad was a grandmaster. He taught me everything I know.
A grandmaster? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
I'm not.
Checkmate. You must be pretty good. How good are you?
2,000 ELO. Good.
That's pretty damn good. I've been looking for a player to compete with me for the past couple months, but no one can match my skill level.
Okay.
Do you want to come over to my place Friday night? We'll play a game.
Nah, I'm pretty busy.
Let me guess. Taking care of your brother, right?
How the fuck did you know that?
That doesn't matter. What matters is that you need money, and I can give it to you.
I'm guessing you're not just gonna give it to me.
You're smart. I'm going to make you work for it. Come to my house Friday, friend. We'll play a game of chess, and if you win, I'll give you $100,000.
What's the catch?
No catch, friend. Just bring your A game. My address is 1636 Bishop Avenue. Why aren't you writing it down?
I remembered it. I'll see you there.
7 p.m. 7 p.m.
So how was your day?
Some dude came up to me and challenged me to play a game of chess for $100,000.
You're a pro. You're an ace.
Yeah, but why should I trust him? I don't even know the guy. And you know about my trust issues.
You can't be so stuck in the past anymore. I mean, you've changed so much since then. Compared to me, you're doing great.
It's the fact that I don't know him.
Do what you think is best. What's the worst that could happen?
I could get killed. Hi, I'm here to play chess with, to be honest, I don't even know his name.
Ah, you must be Andre. Come in.
To be honest, I'm not surprised he knew that.
So I know your brother from work. How's he doing?
It's not too great. He's actually, he's having some health issues right now.
Damn, that sucks. Maybe you'll get lucky tonight.
Let him in. How are you? I'm eager for a good match.
Likewise. Classical, I assume.
Yes. Let's get things started.
God damn it. I can't believe I didn't see that. I'm sorry. That wasn't professional of me. That was a good play by you.
So are you gonna give me the money in cash or what?
I'm afraid I can't give you the money.
Come with me.
You said 100,000. Are you kidding me?
Please escort Andre out.
Don't worry. I'll take care of this.
Thank God he's gone.